bands. 100 bands.
This shit I'm doing made me 300 bands.
100 bands.
That shit you doing, homie, don't stand a chance. Took half of that and I went and bought a crib.
What's going on? It's your boy C Mills and I'm back at you with another video. Y'all mean? Hey, yo, check this out real quick. I just closed on this property yesterday. I bought this property a year ago using none of my own cash. Actually walked away with closing with $10,000 the day I bought it. Stuck a tenant in there who paid my hard money loan. I bought this property with a hard money loan. I used my hard money loan to purchase the property. The payment was paid by the tenant throughout the entire year. And then we just sold the property yesterday and I made a $35,000 profit using none of my own money and by renting it out to the tenant. So I want to show y'all this property. I want you to check it out. I want you to walk through this journey with me. I'm letting you know there's real estate moves. You dig what I'm saying? Mills Estates TG Deal Finders Academy is in full effect. We really do this real estate game. I'm the king of purchasing properties with no money down, no rehab, and walking away with 10, 20, 30, even sometimes $40,000 after I'm done using none of my own cash, none of my own credit at all. Y'all take a walk with me. Now remember, we in COVID, so you always gotta mask up. And what better mask to wear than them Super Bowl Tampa Bay Buccaneer champions? You dig what I'm saying? All right, so I got the keys right here. Let me see what the other key. It's the other key. So y'all walk with me real quick. Let me put on these little glasses I got from my church. Shout out Crossover Church. Pastor Tommy and his wife and the whole congregation. They in real estate too. We really turn up. Let's check it out. Oh. Now this real estate game, easy, y'all. Only thing you need is knowledge. Only thing you need is knowledge. Knowledge is power. Lack of knowledge, lack of funds, lack of cash, lack of opportunity. So this is the property right here. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath, concrete block with a unit in the back. Let's go ahead and get in here. Always lock doors behind you, especially when you're in certain neighborhoods. There's so many keys on here, I don't know which key it is. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we in the property, this it right here. As you see, the tenants moved out. We did the walkthrough yesterday. Let's go this way. Now again, I found this property from a pre-foreclosure list. This family was losing their house. I came in, bought the property using a hard money loan, and then I rented it back to them for a full year so that they can get their credit together so they could purchase the house back. Come to find out, they didn't want to purchase the property back. So she ended up exercising her option to sell. And I told her, as long as I make a profit as well, you know, we can split it. You know, if you don't buy it from me, then I'll sell it to somebody and we'll split it. So I bought it from the lady. She was in a tough situation. She was gonna lose the property. You see, this is the bathroom. The property definitely needs work. So I bought it from her for $75,000. I went ahead and got a loan for $95,000. So I was able to pay some of her bills. I was able to give her $5,000 to walk away with the day of closing, you know, and let her stay in her house for a full year, you know, so that she could get herself together. That's the laundry room. And it goes out to the back. You know, so after I got the hard money loan, I walked away with $10,000 cash. And the payment on the hard money loan was $950. Let me remind you, this neighborhood rents out for $1,400 for this size property. I let this lady rent the house from me for $950, the same payment that I have to pay my hard money lender. You get what I'm saying? So remember, it's not always about the cash flow. It depends on what type of deal you're doing. You know, so with this particular deal, I was worried about how I'm gonna get in. You know, so I got the 10,000. That's how I got in. Maintaining, I broke even, and then the out. You dig what I'm saying? So the out. Remember, I owe $95,000. This property in its as-is condition, in the condition that it is right now, is worth about $160,000. You dig what I'm saying? So, I was able to go ahead and put the property back on the market. You know, after the year was up. Let me see. Hold on, real quick, guys. I'm trying to. Where's that other key? I was able to put the property back on the market. I put it up for high for $175, and we got a buyer to come in at $183,500 for this property. $183,000. I'm gonna go around the other way, guys, because I can't get in that way. $183,500. Now remember, my loan I owe $95,000. So there's a $90,000 profit in there, which I split with the tenant. But she is a tenant buyer. I split it with her. So she walked away with 40 grand. I walked away with 35,000, and the buyer bought this property for $183,500. Now y'all see this property. $183,500. Let me show you the good thing about this property, to where the buyer probably liked it. Look at how big this backyard is. First of all, there's an efficiency in the back. This is what you call an efficiency. This is a separate apartment unit in the back. Look how big the backyard is. Backyard stretches all the way over there. You dig what I'm saying? And then you got your efficiency back here. Now this can rent out alone for about $600. This rents out for about $600, no cap. And I'm gonna show y'all why. It's the efficiency when you come in. Of course, they left it a little dirty, but you know, you got a sink over there. You can you can plug up a refrigerator right here. Got a closet. And then it's got a bathroom right here with a stand-up shower. So this alone can rent out for $600. You get what I'm saying? I mean, my hard money loan was $95,000. $950 a month. So this take care of $600 of it, and then the front unit rents out for $1,400. So, but remember, I help people. That's what I'm in real estate. I'm in real estate to help people. So I didn't want to take the lady house or, you know, make her situation worse than it already was. So I partnered with her. I did a partnership. I partnered with her and created a win-win scenario. And when you do things like that, God blesses you. You do things like that, God will bless you. They got a part over here that's not finished. You know, but they got the framing up. They got the concrete. She was going to put like a little jacuzzi tub in there. You know, nice big walk-in closet. You know, nice walk-in closet. And this was going to be her room. She was working on this project. You know, but the buyer going to work on this project. It's a good deal for him. Great deal for me. I purchased this property, made $10K up front. No money in the middle. Broke even. And then on the back end, made a profit of about $35,000, $36,000. Overall, this deal made $46,000 in 12 months using none of my own money. What's the ROI on that? Ridiculous. So we really do this. We really do this real estate game. I really teach this game. I got about 10 students who I teach this game to, who is in my Deal Finders Academy. We meet every Monday and Thursday. And I have all the material recorded. Anybody who wants to join Deal Finders Academy, I have all the lessons recorded. You can join right now for limited time. You know, and then it's going to be on to something else. So Y'all take advantage while y'all can. I just wanted to come and show y'all this property, man. Show y'all that real estate is really real. You really can get into this game using absolutely no cash, no credit. You just have to know how to find deals, how to negotiate, and how to create win-win scenarios with your motivated sellers. This your boy Mills, and I'm out. Peace.